Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the Crappy Crafter. Today we're going to be doing a super simple craft, like super simple craft, and it's going to be this. The store that I work at, it's a hardware store, but we just got a brand new impulse section. We used to have just 2 lanes, now we have a corral with 2 registers. And this was one of the spontaneous impulse things that they decided to get. So with my discount, it wasn't horrible. I was told on TikTok I shouldn't get it, that it's just cheaper to buy the parts piecemeal and then make them from that. But you know what? Here we are. So I already got it, and let's just get right into it. This one should be a simple, quick video. Well, that was simultaneously more fun than I expected, more work than I expected, and I got it to the consistency that I really like, which is the consistency of the horrible slime that you used to be able to buy back in like the 80s and 90s. Mostly the 80s, because I don't think I bought any once we moved. We moved in 86, so it would have been the early to mid 80s at that. I suppose it could have been in the 90s, because we did go back. We never sold the original house. I mean, we did eventually, but it was years after we moved. I just remember playing with it in that house. I don't remember playing it in any other house. So, we'll say sometime in the 80s. Oh, this stuff is fun. I really enjoyed this. If you want to see me do more, I will go out and I will get just this stuff. And then I will pick up some random glitter glues, or tell me, I've heard that there are other ways to do this, like with contact lens solution. Let me know if that really works and I'll try it. Oh, just look how pretty that is. It even made a really pretty purple when both of them were mixed. Alright. It just stretches forever. I loves it so much. I loves it so... How long will this stuff keep? Like, what kind of container should I keep it in? Ah, I love it. I'm very satisfied. I'm happy that I did this, and I hope that you are satisfied with the video and that you're happy that you came with me on this adventure, and I will see you next week. Until then, stay safe. Bye. Why are you still here? Go home. One thing it definitely did was it made my hands all wrinkly wet. Like, they're seriously wrinkly wet.